Alright guys, what's up? I'm just going to make a short video here. I got this bandsaw, Rockwell 14-inch bandsaw from a friend of mine who passed away. It's been sitting around for a long time, at least 3 years, maybe as long as 5. Little TLC, fix this, repair that, replace it, whatever, should be good to go. Also got this 10-inch 3 horsepower Craftman, little TLC on that guy, and should be good to go also. Nice little modified on-off switch, and this old Delta Rockwell Lathe. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna have to get a motor for it, and let's see. I got the tailstock. The banjo for it. Clean that thing up, get a motor, have another one, or sell it, see what happens. Also got this little Craftman bandsaw, or sorry, table saw. I'm going to clean that up, get rid of most of all this stuff, and then actually build a table for both of these and have a work table here eventually. We got 4 cherry knolls to turn, 3 walnut knolls to turn. So stay tuned for that. I think I'm going to show you the cherry ones. We get them all cleaned up. Shouldn't be too bad. It's already coming off there just by rubbing it with my hands, so. Alright, thanks for watching. Be safe. Alright, I spent the last probably hour sanding all the paint off of that, and painting the top and bottom there, and painting this edge. Cleaned off the light, might not be good. I cleaned off the tabletop. I don't know if I'm gonna go ahead and paint all the body. I know I'm gonna take that off and clean and sand that up and paint that. If I do that, I'm gonna do this probably. So that turned out alright. Nothing fancy, but it'll work. Alright, this is the first time. Here we go. I checked it whenever everything, made sure everything was tight, tension, all that kind of good stuff. Alright, on and off. That's obviously broken. I can fix that out of some plastic. So make sure everything's tracking alright. There we go. A little noisy, but it cuts. That's all I need. Alright, that's it.